Let's see how to automate authentication using TOTP with Nubra APIs. Open Nubra API documentation. Navigate to the Python SDK section. Click on Authentication. Scroll down to the TOTP authentication section. Here you'll find the code to generate your TOTP secret. Copy this code and paste it into your Python editor. Now run the script. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Enter the OTP received on your device. Then enter your MPIN. The terminal will now display your unique secret key. Make sure to copy and save this securely. Now open your mobile authenticator application. Add a new account. Enter a name of your choice. Paste the secret key you just copied. Your Authenticator app will now start generating TOTP codes automatically. Next, return to the Nubra Python SDK documentation. Navigate to guides and examples from the header. Open the authentication and login flow section. Scroll down to full automation with TOTP and pyotp. Copy the example automation code. Paste it into your editor. Replace the secret value in the script with the secret key you saved earlier. Now run the script. Your authentication is now fully automated. No more manual OTPs required. Thanks for watching.